So far you have learned numbers up to 4 digits. Look at the numbers in these pictures. How many digits do they have? These are 5-digit numbers. Now let us see how 5-digit numbers are formed. You know that 9,999 is the largest 4-digit number. If you add 1 to 9,999, you get 10,000, which is the smallest 5-digit number. Note that a 5-digit number has ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s places. To make it easy to read and write 5-digit numbers, we divide the place value table into 2 periods, the ones period and the thousands period. The ones period includes the ones, tens, and hundreds places. The thousands period includes the thousands and 10,000s places. While writing 5-digit numbers, we place a comma to separate the digits in the thousands period from the digits in the ones period. Thus, 10,000 is written as 10,000. Let us enter the price of this TV, correctly separating the digits in thousands and ones periods. The correct way to write the price of this TV is 36,895. The number name of a 5-digit number is formed by the number name of the 2-digit number in the thousands period, followed by thousand, followed by the number name of the 3-digit number in the ones period. Thus, the number name of this number is 36,895. Now let us look at the place values of the different digits in this 5-digit number. Let us start with the ones period. The place value of 5 in the ones place is 5. The place value of 9 in the tens place is 90. And the place value of 8 in the hundreds place is 800. Coming to the thousands period, the place value of 6 in the thousands place is 6,000. And the place value of 3 in the 10,000s place is 30,000. Thus, in expanded notation, we can write the number 36,895 as 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 5. Let us click the correct number of beads on each rod to represent the number 36,895 on the abacus. This is the correct way of representing the given number on the abacus. Look at the numbers in these pictures. How many digits do they have? These are 6-digit numbers. The PIN codes that you write in postal addresses are all 6-digit numbers. Now, let us see how 6-digit numbers are formed. 99,999 is the largest 5-digit number. If you add 1 to 99,999, you get 1 lakh, which is the smallest 6-digit number. Note that a 6-digit number has ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs places. To make it easy to read and write 6-digit numbers, we add the lakhs period to the left of the thousands period in the place value table. While writing 6-digit numbers, we place 2 commas to separate the digits in the lakhs, thousands and ones period. Thus, 1 lakh is written as 1, 0, 0, 0, 000. Let us enter the price of this car. Correctly separating the digits in lakhs, thousands and ones periods. The correct way to write the price of this car is 6,85,990. The number name of a 6-digit number is formed by the number name of the digit in the lakhs place followed by lakh, followed by the number name of the 2-digit number in the thousands period, followed by thousand, followed by the number name of the 3-digit number in the ones period. Thus, the number name of this number is 6,85,990. Now let us look at the place values of the different digits in this 6-digit number. Let us start with the ones period. The place value of 0 in the ones place is 0. The place value of 9 in tens place is 90. And the place value of 9 in the hundreds place is 900. Coming to the thousands period, the place value of 5 in the thousands place is 5,000. And the place value of 8 in the 10,000s place is 80,000. The place value of 6 in the lakhs place is 6 lakh. Thus, in expanded notation, we can write the number 6,85,990 as 6 lakh plus 80,000 plus 5,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 0. Let us click on the correct number of beads on each rod to represent the number 6,85,990 on the abacus. This is the correct way of representing the given number on the abacus. Which of these two places has the larger population? When we compare the two populations, we see that the population of Dharampur is a 3-digit number, while the population of Rajganj is a 4-digit number. You already know that a number with more digits is always greater than a number with fewer digits. Thus, the population of Rajganj, which is 5,240, is greater than the population of Dharampur, which is 986. Which of these two items costs more? When we compare the prices of these two items, we see that they both have the same number of digits. When comparing numbers with the same digits, start comparing the digits from the leftmost place till you find two different digits at a place. Starting from the leftmost of the 10,000s place, we see that the digits at this place are the same in both the numbers. Similarly, we find that the digits at the thousands and hundreds place in the two numbers are also the same. At the tens place, we find that the digits in the two numbers are different. The number that has the greater digit at this place is greater than the other number. Let us arrange the block in increasing order of their weight. This is the correct sequence. Now observe the numbers showing the weights of the blocks. You have actually arranged the weights of the blocks from the smallest number to the biggest number. Arranging the given numbers from the smallest to the biggest number is called arranging the numbers in ascending order. Let us change the order of numbers. Observe the numbers now. How are they arranged? Now, the numbers are arranged from the biggest number to the smallest number. Arranging the given numbers from the biggest number to the smallest number is called arranging the numbers in descending order. Let us drag the number cards to the blanks to form the greatest 5-digit number using the given digits. The greatest number that can be formed using the given digits is 98,641. Now, how did we form this number? To form the greatest number using the given digits, simply arrange the given digits in descending order. Arranging the given numbers from the biggest to the smallest number is called arranging the numbers in descending order. Now drag the number cards to the blanks to form the smallest 5-digit number using the given digits. The smallest number that can be formed using the given digits is 14,689. How did we form this number? To form the smallest number using the given digits, simply arrange the given digits in ascending order. Let us drag the number cards to the blanks to form the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers using the given digits. By arranging the given digits in descending order, the greatest number that can be formed is 75,320. To form the smallest number, we arrange the given digits in ascending order. Here, if we start with 0, we end up forming a 4-digit number, 2,357. Thus, we place 0 at the second highest place to form the smallest 5-digit number as 20,357. Let us drag the number cards to the blanks to form the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers using the given digits. You are allowed to repeat the digits. To form the greatest number by repeating the digits, repeat the greatest digit in the highest places. Thus, using the given digits, the greatest 5-digit number that can be formed is 88,874. To form the greatest number by repeating the digits, repeat the greatest digit in the highest places. Thus, using the given digits, the greatest 5-digit number that can be formed is 88,874. The number 12 lies between 1 tens and 2 tens. Is it closer to 1/10 or 2/10? Let us find out. This number is closer to 1/10 or 10. This number is closer to 2/10 or 20. 15 lies midway between 1/10 and 2/10, but it is considered closer to 2/10 or 20. Finding the tens closer to a number is called rounding that number off to the nearest 10. Thus, the numbers 11, 12, 13, and 14 are rounded off to the nearest 10 as 10, while the numbers 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 are rounded off to the nearest 10 as 20. Consider these two numbers. Let us learn how to round them off to the nearest 10. To round off a number to the nearest 10, look at the digit to its right or the digit at the ones place. If the digit at the ones place is less than 5, keep the tens digit the same and replace the ones digit by 0. Thus, the number 4563 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 4560. If the digit at the ones place is 5 or greater than 5, add 1 to the tens digit and replace the ones digit by 0. Thus, the number 2138 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 2140. Here are some numbers. Click each number to see whether it is closer to 400 or 500. This number is closer to 400. This number is closer to 500. "450" lies midway between 400 and 500. But it is considered closer to 500. Finding the 100 closer to a number is called rounding that number off to the nearest 100. Thus, the numbers 424 and 448 are rounded off to the nearest 100 as 400, while the numbers 461 and 489 rounded off to the nearest 100 become 500. Consider these two numbers. Let us round them off to the nearest hundreds. To round off a number to its nearest 100, look at the digit to its right or the digit at the tens place. If the digit at the tens place is less than 5, keep the hundreds digit the same and replace all the digits to its right by zeros. Thus, the number 3219 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 3200. If the digit at the tens place is 5 or greater than 5, add 1 to the hundreds digit and replace all the digits to its right by zeros. Thus, the number 6462 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 6500. Similarly, we can round off numbers to the nearest 1000. Consider these two numbers. To round off a number to the nearest thousand, look at the digit to its right or the digit at the hundreds place. If the digit at the hundreds place is less than 5, keep the thousands digit the same and replace all the digits to its right by zeros. Thus, the number 5,486 rounded off to the nearest thousand is 5,000. If the digit at the hundreds place is 5 or greater than 5, add 1 to the thousands digit and replace all the digits to its right by zeros. Thus, the number 61,702 rounded off to the nearest thousand is 62,000. The symbols that we commonly use to write numbers are called the Hindu-Arabic numerals. We can form any number using the symbols from the numbers from 0 to 9. Many ancient civilizations had their own ways of writing numbers. In this module, we will study about Roman numerals used by the ancient Romans to write numbers. The symbols used by the Romans to write numbers look like some of the letters of the English alphabet. The Romans used just 7 symbols resembling the letters C, D, I, L, M, V, and X to write numbers. In the Roman numerals, each symbol has a particular value. For example, I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, and X is equal to 10. Similarly, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, and M is equal to 1000. Here is a short poem to help you learn the Roman numerals. If you have an I that is 1, V is 5 and X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, and dear D gives you 500. Then comes the mighty M equal to 1000. These are Roman numerals, and now you know all of them. There is no symbol to show the number 0 in Roman numerals. Roman numerals are used to write different numbers using some simple rules. Let us learn about them. Rule number 1. When a symbol is repeated, its value gets added up. For example, 2 I's represent 2, 3 I's represent 3, and 2 X's represent 20. Remember, you can repeat a symbol a maximum of 3 times. So it is wrong to write 4 as 4 I's or 40 as 4 X's. Also remember that the symbol V for 5 is never repeated. Thus, you cannot write 15 as 3 V's. Rule number 2. If a symbol of smaller value is placed before a symbol of greater value, then the smaller value is subtracted from the larger value. For example, to write 4, the number for your class, you place an I before a V. So you get 5 minus 1 or 4. Similarly, by placing an I before an X, you get 10 minus 1 or 9. And by placing an X before a C, you get 100 minus 10 or 90. Remember that the symbol for 5 is never subtracted. Thus, it is wrong to write 45 by writing V before L. Rule number 3. If a symbol of smaller value is placed after a symbol of greater value, the smaller value is added to the larger value. For example, if an I is placed after V, it represents 5 plus 1 or 6. Similarly, by placing an I after an X, you get 10 plus 1 or 11. And by placing a V after an X, you get 10 plus 5 or 15. Now consider the number 26. It is made of a large number 20 and a small number 6. The numbers 20 and 6 are represented by two different combinations of Roman numerals as shown. When writing 26 in Roman numerals, we first write the combination for the larger number 20 and then write the combination for the smaller number 6. This brings us to rule number 4. If a number is formed by two combinations of Roman numerals, then the combination for the larger number is written before the combination for the smaller number. Thus, while writing 28, we write the two X's representing 20 before the combination of V and 3 I's representing 8. Similarly, you write 59 by writing an L representing 50, followed by an I and an X that represents 9. Coming back to 45, how will you write the number? You write an X and an L to represent 50 minus 10 or 40, followed by V to represent 5.